My name is Crystal Cartwright. I am the Senior Director of Creator Success and Support here at LTK, and I oversee the teams that provide strategy and support to our creators to make sure they can be successful. I love working with creators because they are amazing storytellers. It blows my mind, the content that they can come out with, the volume of it, and it's still authentic, so I'm excited to just be a part of the industry and just see them take over the world. What makes me feel empowered about being a woman in the workplace is being able to speak up for people that can't be in these rooms or advocate for them. Seeing other women in their respective fields thrive is amazing, and I love seeing that and supporting them and cheering them on. I've definitely run into adversity as a woman in the workplace. I think something that's helped me is just being my authentic self and having mentors and people that challenge me and support me. Coming from a company where I was one of the only women in leadership to, coming here, I feel so empowered to speak in rooms. Just seeing someone else that is a woman or a woman of color in a room goes so far for anyone's confidence, because it's really hard to see yourself somewhere if you don't see anyone that looks like you. So coming to LTK has been amazing for that. Just that shift has allowed me to be more confident in speaking up and sharing the ideas that I have.